This is the freshwater or Philippine crocodile. Native crocodile in Philippines.
No.
Saltwater crocodile. So this kind of crocodile are most aggressive. Ito po yung mga original nila lolo.
Kena sa panimula pa rin.
Yung buwan. Di ba yung ano, yung higit, yung mga...
Hindi lang.
When those young crocodiles, we feed them 2 times a week only. Yeah. Sila po, kumakain po sila 2 times a week lang po. Pagkain naman po nila,
Are they always so still? They are not moving. They are always so still.
During in the morning, they're sleeping. They are
Okay.
only active at night. Because saltwater mainly in the wild.